Axolotl? What are you? Axolotl! That's what you are, you're an axolotl. Hi, welcome back to Little Shedshop. Today I am going to be making a new puzzle for my niece, Sophie. Lovely little girl. She's one of those magical little people that make you happy in life. Big Pokemon fan. She's also a massive Axolotl fan. And if you don't know what an Axolotl is, look it up. It's like a real life Pokemon. It's really strange. It's a cross between, this is the only way to describe it, a cross between a lizard and a fish. Really strange looking thing. And the thing's got this wacky grey smile on its face. Really weird. So I got Mrs. S to knock up a drawing of a silhouette of an axolotl. And she printed a few out and we did a few variations each. And we ended on this one. This is Mrs. S's design. So this has now been prepped. This is just on a piece of scrap pine that I have, and I've drilled out the eyes because I think it's quite important. You know, it's an animal, it's got to have eyes. So this has been prepped, it's been masking taped, the pattern's then been Pritt sticked on, and then it's been sellotaped on top. Then I realised that some of these didn't quite have a full mechanical connection, so I went over them with the Sharpie, and I went over the other puzzle pieces anyway just so I can see it, because well, these will only do so much, and the twin optical sensors are getting worse. And her birthday is on Valentine's Day, so that's coming around soon, and I've got to get this done. So let's get cracking. I'll stick some music on and we'll just run through this at super speed. Woohoo! I'll be using Pegasus Modified Geometry number 3s for this. Reverse tooth, skip tooth, brilliant. Across here, separates in two parts.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
awesome.
There you go. That's this beautiful axolotl puzzle, all nicely finished and done. I like to leave them bare so they can be painted or coloured in by the person that is receiving them. Some people have said these are really simple to make on such a very expensive scroll saw, but the fact is they're actually not as easy as people think they are. They're thick and they're quite labour intensive, and if you're doing it properly it's going to take you a while. That was 4 hours of sanding, and you know, I think it's worth it. And this is for you, Sophie, so happy birthday. I hope you like your puzzle. I hope you got there in time. And thanks for watching AJ's Little Shedshop. Please like, subscribe, click for notifications, and we'll see you again soon.